These are 11 litre stock pots picked up off eBay. For about a tenner each. 11 litre, 11.2 litre. They're not the most incredible bits of kit in the world, but you know, it's cheap, it's cheerful, it does what we need it to do. So we've got no question on being pre-born in the water. It's coming straight out the tap from the garden. Time now is 8 minutes to 5 ish. See how long that takes to heat up, and see if I get into trouble for turning my back garden into a scrapyard. Nice. I just stepped in your... oh my god. Still burning away nicely. It's actually getting to the end of the kindling wood. I should have bought some logs really. Again, this has only been going for a few minutes now. Absolute worst case, I can kick the top off and throw in some more logs I've got over here. And worst case, that's exactly what I'll do. Put the tops on the pot, at least one handle to the edge. Hopefully the pot won't melt, being eBay's finest. And let's hope this works. It's been a couple of minutes, we'll come back to this in a sec.